Hey everybody, my name is Brian. I'm with GAF and CARE, the Center for Advancement of Roofing Excellence, and I'm here to talk to you guys today about our brand new shingle, the Timberline HDZ with Strike Zone technology. Now Steve here just got his hands on this shingle, installing this roof behind us on this model home. How you doing?
I'm doing great.
You're a hard-working man. This is a great looking install.
Thank you very much.
So tell me about it. How'd it go?
It went very well. With the wide install strip, it makes it so much easier, especially when I was in precarious positions, because when you're doing roofing, you know, you're not standing flat, you're up high, sometimes you're working backwards, and to hold the nail gun and try to get down there and hit the exact little line that most shingles have. I mean, this makes it much easier, and it's a great technology for the shingle.
So the alignment line, the top line on that strike zone, were you able to use that to align the shingle?
Oh yes, we use that. It helps us line up the horizontal run, and this top white line is the contact line for the lower shingle, and that helped us keep it straight horizontally, and I really like that.
So the lines were visible, easy to see?
Very much so.
You think your accuracy went up compared to?
Oh yes, yeah, definitely.
Okay. So based on your answers, I would assume this is probably a product that you would like to use in the field.
Oh yes, for sure.
Absolutely.
Yep.
So thank you for a great install, coming out and working hard for us.
You're welcome.